Hey, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to add RFID black small square card to Android. Start by unlocking your phone, then pull down the notification bar from the top of the screen. Look for the NFC option, and tap and hold the NFC icon until the settings open. Turn on NFC by toggling the switch. This feature allows your phone to exchange data when it is near another NFC-enabled device. Next, bring your RFID black small square card close to the back of your phone, specifically to the area where the NFC sensor is located. Once your phone detects the card, the RFID card will be added to your Android device. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and easily add an RFID black small square card to your Android phone. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.